Hello world, welcome to Yuki's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna introduce Okinawan curry and salad. Let's start cooking. Today I'm gonna use SB Golden Curry. You can buy it for about $2. You can choose the level of spiciness. They are mild, medium, hot. Cut 3 small potatoes. Japanese curry is characterized by its large ingredients. Like rice, curry originated in India, but the Japanese have developed our own original style. Cut the carrots. Slice the onion. Cut the chicken. Add the oil and fry the ingredients. Add 750 ml of water. Simmer for 20 minutes. Make a boiled egg while boiling. Add salt to the hot water. These eggs cost about $2 for 10 eggs. Make a hole and put it in water. Okinawan shallot for topping. Cut the eggplant. Cut the bitter melon and remove the white part. Make a salad while boiling. Put the dried wakame seaweed in water. Turn off the stove. Put the golden curry. This is a mixed salad. I often buy this because it's useful. You can buy it for about $2. Place wakame seaweed and boiled octopus. Finally, add the tomato. It's done, 完成! Deep fried vegetables for toppings. Put the topping on the rice. My favorite topping is cheese and egg. Finally, put mugwort and it's done. 完成 Let's eat. いただきます。Japanese curry enjoys toppings. I topped with Okinawan vegetables, cheese, and boiled eggs. Sprinkle my favorite easy vinegar. How was today's video? I'm glad to if you enjoy. This channel shows you real Japanese home cooking. And I would like to introduce Japanese sauce mix, seasoning, and frozen food. Furthermore, I will also introduce Japanese food culture and custom. If you enjoy this video, just hit like and subscribe. ごちそうさまでした。Thanks for watching. ありがとう。バイバイ。